That sounds sweet. That sounds good.
Yeah, I kind of like them.
Here's the mufflers we're using on this, right there. Yep, 78 Jeep. It's got a 304 in it, guys. Check this thing out real quick. Just sold 304. There you go, guys. Check it out. 304. It sounds pretty good with them cherry bombs on it. So I'll probably do another video on it when we start this thing back up. Maybe I'll do I can show you if I can get under here real good. Yeah, there they are. There they are. You gotta put some turn downs on it. So yeah, I thought I'd show you guys this. Let's look at the inside real quick. Look at there. Pretty nice little Jeep. It's only got like 85,000 miles on it, I think you guys said. Yep, right there. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys later.